Hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 24th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a Sudoku with 2 stars. And before I start, let me count all the printed digits in this puzzle. So we have 2, these are 5, so 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 2, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes. 26 printed digits. The previous one, 27. This one, 26. So let's get started. All right. Let me see which number I can use. How about the 4? We see a 4 in this row. 4 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for a 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And now, how about the number? Which number? Which number? How about the number 5? We have a 5 in this column, a 5 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So in this row, the first row, we have a 5 in one of these 2 boxes. In the second row, we have a 5 over there. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait for more information. How about the number? The number. Yes. We have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in this column, a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. Alright, that means in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in this box. A 9 in one of those 2 boxes. So no 9 in that box. Here 9, no 9 there. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. Alright, then 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6 in this row. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in that box. Here also a 6, so no 6 in this box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And I remember I have marked these 2 boxes for the 9. 1 box is filled in with the 6, so the other box should be the 9. We have a 3 in this row, a 3 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 number left in this first row for the number 5. Then 3 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6, and 7. 2, 6, and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 7. Then 8 and then 9 missing. All right. 2, 8. I need an 8 and 3. I need a 3. All right. How about 1 and then 2 numbers left in the second column. Those numbers are the those numbers are the 2 and the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. 2 and the 5. That means the other 2 numbers, the 1 and the 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. The 1 and the 8. Need more digits. How about 3, the 2. Yes, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there, but I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this column. The numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. And I remember those dots I've marked are reserved for the 9. Now I have used 1 dot, so the other dot should be the 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. Then 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here. So these 2 numbers, I remember the missing numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 box left in this column should be the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and a 5 goes here. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes exactly. Yes. Yes. Faster than the previous one. I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you soon in a minute, because I will continue with the Sudoku with 4 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.